Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to use Readymag. Ever open a design website thinking you'll make the next Apple homepage, then 20 minutes later, you're resizing one text box like it's a NASA mission. It's basically the beginner Readymag experience, but honestly, it's one of the easier no-code design tools to learn. Start by opening the official Readymag website and creating an account using your email or Google account. After signing up, Readymag asks what kind of work you do so you can customize your dashboard a little. Once you enter the main editor, the big thing you use is the new project button where you can either start from scratch or use a template. I'd recommend templates first unless you enjoy staring at a blank screen questioning your creativity. Inside the editor, you will mainly work with the canvas, layers panel, widgets, and page settings. Just drag elements like text, images, buttons, or videos onto the page and move them around freely. Once your project looks good, press publish and your interactive website or presentation goes live almost immediately. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.